Good fam, welcome back to Unlockable Character. We are at Shell Howell Mill, you know, touchless car wash, E50. When you mix it, you know, I got E85, about 7 gallons, and then 5 gallons of 93 octane. And I've been mixing that here at Shell, and it gives me about E48 to E51 sometimes, you know what I mean? So perfect in terms of mixing it. You know, if I wanted to run full ethanol on this car, guys, full E85, I would have to go with port injection. And then you're, you know, really modifying the manifold of your car to a point of no return. And I'm really happy with where the car is right now. With the new tires, with the Pirellis on in each corner, I think we can easily run a 5-second 60 to 130 and a 9-second quarter mile. So I had my draggy-like device, the G-Pace VT1 over here, but it was out in the sun for a while, and the adhesive that I used to put it on the windshield kind of became melted off, and it fell off. So we had to use some tar remover. Shout out Drew, Precision When It's in Film, he removed that. But I'll get that thing back in here mounted properly, and we'll get some times again. I do now have a DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and I'm excited to shoot with that. If you guys haven't seen it, I'll show it on the GoPro later on. And so just expanding, you know, what shots, angles I can get, expanding the creativity, and it's exciting to have different camera setups to film different styles. So definitely stay posted for that, guys. For now, we're gonna go to Wild Heaven Brewery. It is the German Automotive Syndicate meet. It's a monthly meet. Last month was at Tucker, the OG location, Tucker Brewery, and this is the new location. I'm wondering if this is gonna be like the last one, because they say it's the final one, so we'll see what it is. Guys, you know, what type of cars you guys don't see much anymore is those Mercuries, which was a Ford brand. It was kind of like a Ford and Lincoln in between. So you know, Ford and GM had this strategy where they had different brands, but they were just like different skins of the same model, you know what I'm saying? And I don't think that's a good strategy overall. I mean, you get volume and slight differentiation, but the product itself is relatively the same. Once we don't have to cross all over 4 of the lanes to go north to Greenville, we can actually just stay on this highway south towards Atlanta. think that's a GTR up there, Scotland. So the brewery opened here first, guys, and then a food hall actually opened up. So there's a lot of parking there and there's a lot of things to check out. So you can grab a beer at the brewery, go to the food hall, get some food from a, you know, anything you could think of really. Pho, pho, you know, sandwiches, noodles, rice. Getting there kind of late because it started at 12, but you know what, it's all right. I'm gonna go check out a dealership after this called Five Brothers Auto in Roswell. They're holding a car meet there. They'll go till 5 o'clock, so we'll probably be here for like half an hour, maybe grab beer, you know, say hi to people, and then get on our way. Keep getting some more content for you guys today. Pretty packed. Look at that GTS, nice, sick. There's the GTR that we saw on the way here. I'm sick. Yo, what's good, Zach? How are you? You bet. Fam, this is Anthony's on BBS's static fitment. That is literally like you can't even fit a finger in there. Look at this RS6 lowered. Got the bicolor wheels, tan interior. This McLaren just pulled up too. Sounds really good.